Hello, this is George Senda, the one, the only, the official, the original, the authentic, the real, the guy from Pittsburgh. And here is Burgh unboxing. I've examined this ahead of time to make sure this is not a prank item. And I will not mention any names, but this says enjoy your gift. And this is an air pump for inflatables. I thank you for it. Bomb Pow 8211 quick portable lightweight inflator deflator. AC 110 volt, DC 12 volt 50 watt electric air pump. And I didn't have one of these. We'll have one now. If I ever need an air mattress or something like that. Yes, and I know you're going to want to see the green alien figure, but I'm not going to do it today. And we'll do it tomorrow. You get this attachment. We've had one of these. I had one of these for an airbed a long time ago. I may still have it without it missing. I think I have one of these in my closet, but it's missing the plug. This plugs into a car lighter. I'm not sure what this does. I guess it plugs into the thing. Let's see. Yeah, it plugs into here. And then there's, so that's for a car lighter. I guess your tires. And then here's the power brick. So I bought those dots, if you've watched the dots video, just in time to keep me from forgetting what goes to what. It goes in there. And I don't know. I'll have to figure out if it works when this video is over. I could unplug the light. Let's see. This is the last Burgh boxing. Boy, that is a tight fit in the plug socket. All right, here goes the thingy. And it works. And it will blow my hair. And dry it. All right, it works. The dust in the stuff in my kitchen. So, all right, this has a Bomb Pow 1 for all and all for one, I should soon. Electric air pump manual. And a card, operation guide, which I can't read without a flashlight, so I'm not going to read it. So my hands are full. And not sure what this is. A sentimental card or something. I am sailing stormy waters to be near you to be free. Scan code now, get one free item. Waterproof dry bag. Hand pump. Suitable for outdoor and easy to carry. Extra 3-year warranty. I'll have to figure that out. I've never tried to scan anything. I think I've tried it with my iPad, but not with a phone. So there's the little card. And I'm going to put all this back in the box till tomorrow. I have entirely too much stuff sitting here in the hallway. I can't even, gotta get out of here. Thank you for this. I will inflate the green alien tomorrow and then deflate it because I have no room to put him anywhere till I clean this place up some more. So appreciate the gift. And it will, put these back in. How come this stuff never fits in? When you get something that's packaged, no matter what you do, it never goes in the way. you can take it all out and never fits back in right. I don't know why that is. I think they make these boxes deliberately to irritate you or piss you off or something. This damn thing won't go back in right. I don't know. It's another one of life's great conspiracies to drive people crazy. Here's this thing. And then the different nozzle sizes for air beds, water beds. I don't know what the hell. Tires. Who knows? All right, that's that. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Nice warm day in Martinez. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Stay warm and dry if you can. Back east, ice storm. Michigan, ice storm. And I think Colorado or somewhere also. I'm not sure. Stay warm and dry and stay safe. And I'll catch you in the next video, whenever that is. Bye-bye for now.